Hey Jake, where does the king keep his armies? In his sleeveys.
Hey Zach, why did the chicken cross the road to get to the other side?
Hey, where are those sound effects coming from?